new engine, 41V33. Turning good. And the front engines looks good as you can see. Compressor look nice, same as well like alternator. And on this side, engines without any damage. Starter now broken. Same as well like a gearbox. And on this side, everything's good with engine. Engine's turbo without any damage. Turbo turn. And on the top, plastic lid now broken as you can see. On the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning engine 41V33.